Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of flip. You click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about flip and you will click. Then you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.